A new Scarlet iOS version has just been released, and this update makes it easier to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer. In this video, I'll show you what's new in the latest Scarlet iOS release, what makes this version different from the older version, and why this update is better for installing IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad without a computer. This method works directly from Safari, so you don't need a PC, Mac, Alt Store, or Sideloadly. Before we start, make sure you only install IPA files from sources you trust. This video is for educational and personal use only. Now let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Now go to the Apple JR website. Once the website is open, find the Scarlet section. Here you can see the latest Scarlet iOS version, including the new update. Before installing Scarlet, you need to install the Apple JR DNS profile first. So now, tap the Install DNS button. After that, your iPhone will show a pop-up asking you to allow the configuration profile. Tap Allow. Now open Settings. At the top, tap Profile Downloaded. Then tap Install the profile. Now the Apple JR DNS profile is installed on your device. After this, you can go back to Safari and continue installing Scarlet iOS. Now find the Scarlet section, choose the latest Scarlet version, and tap the Install button. Now go back to your home screen and wait a few seconds. Scarlet should now appear on your device. When you open Scarlet for the first time, you may see an untrusted enterprise developer message. This is normal. To fix it, open Settings. Then go to General. Scroll down and open VPN and Device Management. Now find the enterprise profile used by Scarlet. Tap on it, then allow and restart. Once trusted, now go back to your home screen and open Scarlet again. This time, Scarlet should open normally. When you open Scarlet for the first time, you may see a screen called Prepare SSL Certificate. Just tap Next. Scarlet will start preparing the SSL certificate on your device. Once it's done, you will enter the new Scarlet iOS interface. And here you can see the biggest update in this new Scarlet version. The UI is now completely different from the old version. It looks cleaner, more modern, and much easier to use. One of the best improvements is that you no longer need to manually import a signing certificate like before. So now, we can start installing IPA files directly from Scarlet without using a computer. Now, to install an IPA file using Scarlet, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Tap Import IPA or Files, then select the IPA file you want to install. Once the IPA file is imported, you will see it inside Scarlet. Now tap on the app, then click the Sign button. After that, tap Start Signing. Scarlet will now start signing the IPA file. Once the signing process is complete, you will see the Install button. Now tap Install. Scarlet will automatically start installing the signed IPA file on your iPhone or iPad. Go back to your home screen and you should see the app icon appear. And now, as you can see, the IPA file has been successfully installed on my device using the new Scarlet iOS without using a computer. And that's it. This is the new Scarlet iOS update, and honestly, this version is much better than the old one. Now Scarlet comes with a cleaner and more modern UI, easier IPA importing, and a simpler signing process without needing to manually import certificates like before. Everything can be done without a PC, without a Mac, and without complicated steps. So if the old Scarlet was confusing for you, this new version is much easier to use, especially for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.